ROG Gaming Phone 9 Series. Main features are Asus ROG Phone 9 Unlocked Android Phone, US version, 6.78-inch screen size, 185 Hz AMO LED display, 256 GB memory storage, 12 GB RAM, 5800 mAh battery, 50 MP gimbal camera, 32 MP front, Snapdragon 8 Elite Dual SIM Phantom Black. Resolution is 1080 by 2000. Refresh rate 185 Hz. Connectivity wireless provider AT&T. Cellular technology 5G. Connectivity technology wireless, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB-NF-C 3.5M headphone jack. Camera description: front 32 MP, rear 50 MP main camera. GameCool 9's rapid cooling conductor and larger graphite sheet ensure optimal heat dissipation, maintaining peak performance for uninterrupted play. Experience an unmatched mobile gaming experience with the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. AirTrigger adds customizable ultrasonic buttons on the side of the phone for console-like control, which can be mapped to functions like a shutter button when not gaming. The new triple camera system includes a 50 MP main, 13 MP ultra-wide, and 5 MP macro camera. Enjoy gimbal-stabilized ultra-steady videos, AI night vision, AI panning, and more. Experience AI-driven gaming with ROG's X-Sense, X-Capture, and AI Grabber.